Hi there, welcome back. Need I say more? What do you think? Everything is white. Not painted yet, but the plasters have done their work and it looks fantastic. You can hear my voice about 3 times right now because of the hard materials. So, well, always feels good when something is coming to an end. So next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna start paint the floor. It will take a few days before the epoxy will be here. So I have to be patient. The door well, it will take a few months before that will arrive. I think 8 weeks or something. So patience is a virtue. But for now I'm gonna put my stuff back in the garage so that we can move around the house again and use the shed again. But I'm pretty happy with the result. And hopefully when it dries a little bit, it normally drying for plaster work will take about 2 weeks. Hopefully this is going to be a little bit faster. I got the old heater in here. That doesn't do a lot, but it's okay. But I'm not going to use the new one. But I'm pretty happy. So let's see what we can do tomorrow with the garage. Yeah. By the way, question. Did you see the design? No, you didn't see the design. Wait. Now? You have seen what I'm going to do with the garage, sort of. Maybe change a little bit, but there's going to be a cupboard. There's going to be a cupboard. The model cars will be in the middle because they are now on the attic, standing in a corner. I don't even know what cars I have. Here's going to be first the white table I always use. We're going to keep that for a few weeks until I can convince my wife to spend some more money. Then I want a new tabletop with some shelves, maybe 2 chairs and a place where we can drink our whiskey or something. And well, it's going to be a clean garage. Well, clean. I know it's going to get dirty when the car is back and we're going to finish it up. But after that, we're going to paint it all. And then with the new, gonna be a fantastic place. A place where I can, well, film. And what can we do? Make videos, do something exciting in the future with our hobby. So I'm pretty happy. Well, let's get working on. No, we're not gonna work anything. We're gonna. That's a shame. Because of the lockdown, you cannot drive to the store and just buy whatever you need. You have to wait. No, that's life. That's no problem. So hopefully, maybe tomorrow the epoxy coating will be in. So if that is the case, then this weekend I'm going to start with the floor. Otherwise, I'm going to start with finishing up the electrics. Yeah. So let's see what we can do. Well, that didn't go quite as planned. You didn't see any film about me working here, simply because I didn't film it, and we're now 2 weeks in the future. Okay, forgive me, but I am happy. The lights are there. They're not fixed yet, but well, sorry, I just didn't have any time, simply because the plaster had to dry. The door is taking forever, 12 weeks by now, instead of 8. I ordered something special for that wall, but you all have already seen it in the introduction part of this video. It's getting a little bit complicated, and the most important reason why I am not working, here we go, is, well, yeah. Baby, it's cold outside. Hey, the kids want fun, eh? So that's why the garage is a little bit crowded again, because there are bicycles standing here, tools standing there, things there. Never mind, it's okay. That's just life. Sometimes you go very quickly, and sometimes you go a little bit slow. So excuse me for the fact that this video is quite short. Well, what can I say? But next week I will be back. And what we're gonna do a special video. I wanna zoom in about the history of my car. And I have some questions for you, and I hope that you can help me find answers to those questions. So, for now, thank you for watching this very, very short, empty video. I'm so sorry, but next week I will be back, and then we have a good video, or better than this one, or not, you never know what happened, but never mind. Thank you for watching, see you again next time, and please like, subscribe, spread the word, do whatever you want, and join me on this adventure. Goodbye!